Hello students of grade 11. Today we'll do permutation and combination from Ncert textbook. This is applicable for maths and applied maths also. The syllabus is included for maths and applied maths also. Let us start with the fundamental principle of counting. If an event can occur in m different ways, the following which another event can occur in n different ways, then the total number of occurrence is given by m into n. For example, event of choosing 3 pens and 2 shirts can be, we get the answer as 3 into 2, that is 6. Let us show it practically also. Suppose there is 3 pen 1, pen 2 and pen 3. So with the there are 3 pens and 2 shirts. That means we can put this pen and shirt in 6 ways using this formula m into n, that is 3 into 2. But let us do practically also. Suppose with the pen 1 you can put both the shirt S1 S2. Suppose shirt is S1 S2. With the pen 2 also you can put both the shirt S1 S2. With the pen 3 also you can put both the shirt S1 S2. That means you are putting pen 1 shirt 1 or pen 1 shirt 2, or you can put pen 2 shirt 1 or pen 2 shirt 2, or you can put pen 3 shirt 1 or pen 3 shirt 2. So how many ways you are getting? 1 2 3 4 5 6 ways, but simply we can find by multiplying 3 into 2. Now based on this is chapter 7. Based on this, let us do exercise 7.1. You can see the question. The question is, how many 3-digit number can be from the digit 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5? Repetition of digit is allowed, and the second question is repetition of digit is not allowed. So there are 5 digits you have to know. They are using 5 numbers, but you are going to make 3-digit numbers. That means, let me explain by making a box. There are only 3 spaces. Okay. When the repetition is allowed, that means all these 5 numbers you can put. You can put all the 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers here. We can put all the 5 numbers here. So 5 ways are there. We can also put all the 5 numbers here. Repetition is allowed. That means number of ways will be 5 into 5 into 5. So you'll get 125 ways. That means we can get 3-digit number in 125 ways using this 5-digit. Okay. Next, repetition of digit is not allowed. When they said repetition of digit is not allowed, what you have to do is, suppose out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can use all the numbers here. So 5 ways. But if you have used one number, suppose you have used 1, I cannot use 1 here. I have to use the other 4 number. So here we can arrange only 4 digit. Suppose you have used here and here also, we cannot repeat the digit. That means here we have only 3 number to use. For example, suppose I have used 1 here. That means I can use 2, 3, 4, 5 here. And if I use 2 here, that means I can use only 3, 4, 5 here, because repetition is not allowed. If I use 1 here, I cannot use 1 here. If I use 2 here, I cannot use 2 here. So we can arrange in 5 into 4 into 3 ways. So number of ways will be 5 into 4 into 3. That is 23 is 60 ways. Okay. Next, question number 2. I hope you got it. Again, I'm explaining. Okay. we're supposed to use 1 2 3 4 5, this 5 digit, but the situation is repetition is not allowed. That means if I, out of this 5, if I use one of the number here, that means I cannot, that means this box can be used in any 5 numbers I can use, but if I use any one number, I cannot use that number in the next box. That means I can use only 4 numbers, 4 digit I can use out of this 5 number. And if I use some number here, I cannot use here. That means if this 2 is fixed, that means I can use only 3 digit here. That means I can use only 3 digit here, so the number of ways will be 5 into 4 into 3, that is 60 ways. Similarly, let's do question number 2. How many 3 digit even number can be formed using the digit 1 2 4 or 1 2 3 4 5 6? So there are 6 digit. So you are going to make 3 digit number, but the condition here is you must get even number. Even number. Even number means I can use here, the last digit must be 2. I can use 2, 4 and 6 to make it even. The last digit must be 2 4 6. That means I can use 3 numbers here. Okay, and here you can use any number because digit can be repeated. So here you can use all the 6 number, 1 2 3 4 5 6 also. So we can arrange in 6 ways. Since repetition is allowed, that means I can use all the 6 number here also. 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 6 ways. So number of ways will be 6 into 6 into 3. So you multiply, that's your answer. 6 6 is 36. 36 into 3 is 108. Okay. Even number, you have to know that I can use only 2 4 6 at the end to make it even. If I use this number at the end, it will be odd number. So 3 ways I can arrange here. Here I can put all the 6 number, here I can put all the 6 number. That's why, since repetition is allowed, I can use all the 6 numbers. So 6 into 6 into 3 is the answer. Let's do question number 3. How many four letter code can be formed using the first 10 letters of the English alphabet? That means I can use A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. These are the first 10 letters of the English alphabet. Now you are going to use 4 letters to make a code. So I'm just making 4 box. No letter can be repeated. That means if I use all the 10 letters here, that means I cannot use, if I use one of the letter, I can use all the 10 numbers here, but if I use any one here, I cannot repeat. Any letters here, I cannot repeat. That means I can use the box, only 9 letters will remain here. If I use both here, only 8 letters will remain here, and for this box only 7 letters will remain. So number of ways will be 10 into 9 into 7, 8 into 7. Multiply, that's your answer. 5040 is your answer. Okay, I can use all the 10 alphabet here, but if I use any one alphabet, that means that is fixed. Remaining 9 alphabet I can use here. And if I use one of the alphabet out of 9, only 8 alphabets can be used here. If I use any of the alphabet, only 7 alphabet is left, which I can use here. So number of ways will be number of ways in which we can get a 4 letter code is this much. Okay. Let us do question number 4. How many 5 digit telephone number can be constructed using the digit 0 to 9? Okay, that means you have to use all 0 to 9. That means there are 10 options: 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So there are 10 digits. Okay, but you're going to make a telephone numbers which start with 67 and no digit appears more than once. That means no repetition is allowed. That means 6 and 7 is fixed, and you're going to make 5-digit numbers, so 3 space is left. So I have already used 6 and 7 is fixed. That means how many alphabets, how many numbers are left, how many digits are left for this box? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So here I can arrange in 8 ways. So if out of this 8 number I use one number, that means I cannot repeat. That means here I can arrange in 7 ways, and here I can arrange in 6 ways. So number of ways or number of 5-digit telephone numbers will be 8 into 7 into 6, because the first two is already fixed. Okay, 6 and 7 is fixed, so only there are 3 space, and number of ways will be 8. That means only 8 numbers are, digits are left, so I can use all the 8 digits here. If I use any one of the digit, that means only 7 digits is left, I can use here. Out of 7, if I use any one of the digit, only 6 digit is left, that means I can use here. So number of ways will be 8 into 7 into 6. So multiply. 8 into 7 into 6 is 336. That's your answer. Okay, let's do question number 5. A coin is tossed 3 times and the outcomes are recorded. How many possible outcomes are there? So simple. Okay, this one. Possible outcome. So coin is tossed 3 times. So and the option is only head tail. That means I can use head tail here also, head tail here also, head tail here also. Okay. So number of possible outcome will be here 2 ways, 2 ways, 2 ways. That means 2 into 2 into 2. That means 8 possible outcomes. We have also done in probability. We can do like arrange like that: head, 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 tail. If you want to do practically, head, tail, head, tail, head, head, you will get exactly 8 outcomes only. Tail, 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 head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, tail. So 8 outcomes you get it. Okay. Let's do question number 6. Find given 5 flags of 3 different colors. There are 5 flags and of different color, not 3 different color. There are 5 flags of different colors. How many different signals can be generated if each signal requires the use of 2 flags, one below the others? So flag is arranged one below the other. Every time you are going to use 2 flags. That means all the 5 flags you can use here, and it must be 2 different flags. That means no repetition. If if this is for all the 5 flags, only 4 flags are left, so number of ways will be 5 into 4. Here all the 5 colors can be used. If one color is already used, only 4 color is left, 4 colored flags are left, so we can use here. So number of ways will be 5 into 4, that is 20 ways we can arrange. Okay, you can pause the video to write the solution. Thank you.